Hi friends! Thank you so much for joining my live. Happy Friday! Whoop whoop! So I'm super excited to share with you my project number 2 with our Life is a Bowl of Cherries transfer. This is from our awesome Chalk Couture subscription box, July's. So if you are not a club member, don't worry. All you have to do is type club in the comments. I will send you a Facebook message and you'll be able to check out what the club is, what it costs every month, $19.99. You get free shipping. You don't have to pay that. And you get a project kit every month. I go in and I make 3 incredible projects to share with you, to show you different ways that you can use the kit. So this is going to be a really cool one. I'm excited. We are going to start with, of course, the transfer, but also our board and pillar stand. It's going to be so cute. You can grab that board and pillar stand right on my website when you join the club. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to use part of this transfer, and I'm just going to make sure. Okay, so I am going to use some bright white chalk paste. You can see how the black from yesterday stained my transfer. That is totally normal. It still works awesome. I'm going to use some bright white. I love white with our chalkboard. This is one of our boutique boards that you can wash the surface and reuse it over and over. So here we go. We're going to do life is. Okay. Life is. That's all I'm chalking. I'm just being careful not to hit any of the other words. Life is. Now, you could finish that sentence in so many different ways. Life is, whatever you want to do. And we are going to do some cherries. So I'm going to leave that where it is. I'm going to open up my other colors. I'm going to do, you know what? I think I'm not going to do the brown. I'm not going to do the beige, or not beige, but bark on here, because here's why. It's a black surface. It's kind of a dark color. It will be easier for me just to use the green on the stems. So I'm going to take some of my pesto and we're going to do the leaves and the stems in pesto. It's a great color. So we'll get all of this done. There we go. And then we just have to color in those stems. Got it. All right, so that looks good. And then we're gonna do candy apple, which, actually, I was not gonna do candy. Actually, I wasn't. I was going to do shimmer. That's what I was going to do. I think I'm gonna do candy apple. I'm gonna do candy apple because I love my embellishments that I have for this. And you know me and embellishments. We got to get these beautiful cherries filled in. So I'm using candy apple red. which is a very vibrant, bright red. Obviously, candy apples are bright red, and it definitely looks like it. So these cherries are going to be bright red as well. There we go. Pretty cherries. Okay, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to lift. Oh, so cute. Life is. And I'm going to set this down for a second. I think I'll wash this off real quick, as much as I can, with my wipes. Because I'm gonna lay this back down, but it's gonna be get my hands all red. But I'm gonna dry it off and wash it off. If I peel this back, we'll get all of that. We'll get it all cleaned off. That way I can use, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on here, life is sweet. And so it's gonna be really cute. I just have to dry this. And I think I'll go over this one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna take my fuzzing cloth, the inside portion, and we're gonna dry what we just cleaned using that microfiber part. Awesome, awesome. Hey, if you have not found your way into my free group yet, that typing add me, you type add me into the comments will get you an invite. Woo. You can be on the list, get an invite to the coolest place in town, to my free crafting group. It is a free private group, and you'll have more ideas, more inspiration, and of course you'll get some insider information as well. I am going to lay this aside and I'm going to dry off what we've got going on here. So let me do that. You guys, I cannot wait till next week when we have the most amazing launch of our new autumn winter idea. Is actually called Chalk Style Magazine, and it is an idea book for chalking. You are going to get ideas galore from this new catalog. We do print these. It's a paperback catalog. You can get one free by signing up for club today. And that's like the coolest thing ever. Getting your catalog so you can look through it and get ideas and plan your decor for the fall and winter. All right, so now I'm gonna take this and we're just gonna chalk the word sweet. And I just need to make sure that it fits where I want it. And I am not gonna press down on any of this other part because I don't want it to stick down at all. So I'm trying to be careful just to do the word sweet, and I will probably go back in and do these cute little splash marks. We'll use, use this to do the little splash marks in red. Okay. And oh, life is sweet. so cute. All right, so we're gonna wash this off the rest of the way in my water. And then set this out to dry. All right, we're gonna get to embellishing all of this in a second. You know, I love. All right, we gotta put the white back in there. Trying not to get too yucky here. Okay. Get all of this cleaned up so I don't have to. All right, let's get this dry. That's our next step. And I see a little spot that I want to fix. There we go. Awesome. Now we're going to dry it all. Life is sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. It looks dry, feels dry. So now we are going to attach it to this. When you twist in this little screw on the back, it secures it right in place. And so let's get it a little bit tighter. There we go. Now this is adorable as is, but could we make it just a little cuter? You know we can. Let's do I can't get enough of this. I really can't. We've got the big ribbon. Now we are going to add onto this. Oh, it's so adorable. I've got some bigger, like buffalo check. Oh! I kind of want to make a bow with the buffalo check. And add it on to that. All right, so let me see. So now we have like a double bow. That's super cute. And this is super cute. And this will hang down. I'm going to trim these edges. And this will hang down. So when we stand it up, we've got this cute, check it out. How adorable. You guys. I think this is so cute and life is sweet. Now you could do this with or without the cherries. You could add a lemon lemons are not sweet. You could add watermelon. You could add some other things if you wanted, but I love the cherries. Life is sweet. This is perfect to finish off your summer decor, bright colors, just a little pop of that red. I love it. I love it. I love it. You could do it in a deep pink as well. I think it would be really great, or a shimmer crimson, which is awesome. This is just one more idea using that transfer. Stick with me, folks, because on Monday you're going to get a third and final project using the Chalk Couture kit. If you are not in club, you guys just type club into the comments and I will give you all the details, because you definitely don't want to miss out. It is the coolest club in town, for real. And the perks you get, I can't even tell them all to you here. You have to be in my VIP group to know all the other perks. Yep. How do you get in the VIP group? Just type add me. That's all. And the last but not least thing that I always have to tell you is, if you think what I do is fun, ladies and gentlemen, I make a living being a Chalk Couture designer. If you want to try to be a designer in any fashion whatsoever, you don't have to do what I do, but we have a place for you. All you have to do is type team in the comments and you can join my award-winning team. We are pretty amazing, and I will be there every step of the way with all the support and all the training that you need for whatever you want to do with it. I will send a message to you in Facebook. If you're on Facebook right now, that's how you'll get this message from me, and I'll invite you to my opportunity group so you can check it out. Okay, you guys, brand new kit, all new designs before we can even order them. If you want to become a designer now. All right. Have a really great weekend. Happy 4th of July, Independence Day. Whoop, whoop. Enjoy, and I will see you Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Bye now.